I think we could see, say, 9,600 by the end of March next year, so in about 1 year's time. That is possible. Well, two things or two conditions have to be met for this to really be materialized. One is, I think we need to see on the reform side, or especially the legislative initiatives now, we need to see how the administration really pushes that through, for example, or I think most importantly, probably the land acquisition bill. And then also, of course, on the GST side, whether all the approvals, it's much less debated, of course. I think the smoother sailing on the GST side, but nonetheless, it has to be prepared. On the earnings side, certainly in the last quarter, we've seen the earnings were a bit disappointing. But I do believe, or I do assign that to a large degree also to, yet to happen banks' earnings increases. And I think they will come from improved asset quality. We haven't seen that yet. It seems like it's not getting worse anymore. We haven't seen the improvements, but give it another 1 or 2 quarters and we will see the improvements. That's the biggest sector in the market. So I think there's also room to believe that there will be double-digit earnings growth in India. And frankly, be it DM or even EM, we don't have that many markets that can offer us double-digit growth these days.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.